Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start F.Sc Mathematics chapter number 3 integration exercise number 3.2 with the question number 1 seventh part. The function for the integration is 3x plus 2 divided by under root x. This is an simple algebraic function, but it is a different function from the previous questions. Here we have only one term, but this one term have a quotient with two terms in the numerator and one term in the denominator. Whenever we have this type of function, then we divide all the terms in the numerator by on this denominator function. How we can say this, or how can we write this, I will show you here. First term in the numerator will be divided by the denominator, which is 3x over under root x, plus again the second term will be divided by the same denominator, 2 over under root x. And if we have another term, then we will divide the third term by the same denominator. How can we say that? Is it possible? Because the result will be the same. I can show you here. Let's suppose we have 2 plus 3 over 3. Let's suppose. So we can say 2 divided by 3 plus this 3 is divided by 3. And when we take the least common multiple of these two terms, we can get the same result. 3 cancelled by 3 becomes 2, plus 3 cancelled by 3 becomes 3. This is the same result. So we can say that we can write this term in this way. This is not a problem. Just if we want to solve it easily, then we use this method. So here 3x, and when this x will goes to in the numerator, or here is a power 1, this one, and this x have a power of 1 by 2 because of this square root. When we take it up here, we can write minus 1 by 2 plus 2 this one, and this in the denominator have under root of x. When we take it up here, it will become x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Here by solving these powers, 1 minus 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2 plus 2 x power minus 1 by 2 will be as it is into dx. Now this function is a more simplified function than the previous one, this one, and we can solve it very easily by integrating it separately. Here 3 into x power 1 by 2 dx plus integral 2 x power minus 1 by 2 dx. And we know that the constant in this term is 3, so we can write it out from the integration 1 by 2 dx. Here 2 is also constant, so we will write it out of the integration. The function will become minus 1 by 2 into dx. By solving it, we can write x power 1 by 2, adding 1 in the power and divided by the same new power, which is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 as it is, and by solving it, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 into x power, by solving it, 3 by 2 plus 2 x power 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 by solving these powers. This is the double reciprocal, so again when we take it upstairs, it will become 3 into 2 over 3 x power 3 by 2 plus again here 2 into 2 by 1 into x power 1 by 2. The answer will become 3 cancelled by 3 will be 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 2 2s are 4 x power 1 by 2 and plus cd, remember that, which is the constant of integration. We will write here in all of these expressions. or all of these equations. So f of x is equal to this equation. Hopefully you can understand it well. This is the result of our integration.